Hello again, my fellow cooks. This is Yvette with Easy Meals by Yvette. Today we will be making a very simple and very healthy breakfast. We're going to make a breakfast wrap, and we're going to be needing for this recipe some diced tomatoes, some diced onion, and some diced chile serrano. We're also going to be needing 3 eggs and some avocado and some sort of cheese that you might have at home. I have some mild cheddar, and I also happen to have some cotija. And I use these wraps. I get them at the Sam's Club, and I like them because they have high fiber and they don't have as many calories. You will be needing some sort of a bowl and a whisk to mix everything together. So now I'm going to proceed to mix the eggs. Then you will add the other ingredients. If you are allergic to any of these ingredients, you don't have to use them. You mix. I forgot one ingredient that I really like, and it is the organic baby spinach. I buy this at Sam's in a big tub, and it's very inexpensive, but we will be putting this at the end. Okay, now we're gonna grab some of our cotija cheese. I'm not going to be adding any salt since the cotija cheese is salty, and I'm trying to watch my salt intake, so this should be enough. And I'll put a little bit of the mild cheddar. Now we're going to warm up a skillet and grab one of our tortilla wraps, warm it up on both sides. Okay, just warm it up a little bit, not too much. Give it a few seconds. I'm making 2, so here goes another one. Next step, you're gonna grease your pan. I'm putting some butter. You could use oil or whichever grease you'd like. I like to use butter on my eggs sometimes because it does give it like a creamier flavor, a better flavor. Buttery. Oh, that looks delicious, doesn't that? After a minute or so, you're going to check and turn it over. I guess the other side's already cooked. Flip it over and just give it like another minute or so. It smells so good. Okay, now that our egg is ready, I'm just going to cut it up into some long portions. You can actually make many of these wraps. It's a lot of egg. So here we've got our wraps, our tortilla wraps. I like to put a little bit of mayo, just so that everything sticks together and it gives it a yummy flavor. But it's up to you. If you don't like mayonnaise, you don't have to. You could skip this part. And now the tub I was talking to you about, the baby spinach. This is a large tub. It's 16 ounces and I buy it at Sam's and it's only about $3 or so. It's organic. I like to purchase that and I use it for my wraps. You do that. And then here's our avocado. Like I said, if you're allergic to any of these ingredients, you can skip that or substitute for something else. And here's our egg. Just put your egg in the middle. This aside. Now all you do, just wrap. Kind of slant it in the middle. Wow, is that yummy? Now we're gonna make the next one. My son likes sriracha sauce, so instead of the mayo, you could put the sriracha sauce and it'll make it hotter and give it a sriracha taste. There you go, same procedure. Add your egg, your avocado, scoot it over. This has more filling, but it doesn't matter. It still rolls good. And there you go. So here you have it, my friends. Delicious breakfast. So this is the final product. Our very easy to make breakfast wraps. And you have some egg left over. I hope you enjoyed this video and this recipe. Please give me a like and subscribe.